Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add or how can you get premium on your Meitu app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, and just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here, so then all you have to do now, just click here on add free. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here, so it's going to show for you like this. Then here can you select here if you want to add here 7 day or 3 day here, or so here can you select, then you click here on continue here, so then add your card information. When you click on it here, so you add it here, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.